A couple months ago, I purchased a few of these, the Ikea Tradfri smart bulbs. They are awesome. I mean, I just wanted to see what the future was gonna look like, and it is everything I had ever dreamed of. One thing that stuck out though was that there was no Apple Watch app. So this thing is the most excessive piece of technology, and I figured why not make it a little more excessive than it already was. So why, you ask? There is no good answer to this question because these things can be turned on from any device in my home. Hey Google, set the mood.
Sure, setting 5 lights brightness to 15%.
But just imagine what it could feel like turning on your lights from your watch in bed, on the couch, in the kitchen. I had to give it a try. First thing I had to do was figure out how to actually run these lights on a server that I could access in my house. I ended up finding this third-party library called Node Tradfri Client, which I'll link in the description below. That was super easy to use because I could finally locate all the lights. After that, I built a small API, which is a piece of code that lets you talk to other services such as the light bulbs. And I ended up choosing to host it on a Raspberry Pi, which is a $5 computer, believe it or not. And this thing is approximately a third the size of a credit card. Then I obviously had to build the actual watch app itself, which took forever because of all of the fun stuff that Apple makes you do using XCode. Very high learning curve if you don't know much about Swift or the iOS ecosystem, which I don't. So this is the app itself. So as you can see, it's listing off all of the lights I currently have, as well as one called Global, which is all of the lights at once, in case I want to turn all of them on and off. When you click on a light, it shows you whether or not it's on, obviously, and here you can toggle the light switch. And here at the bottom is the dimmer, so that you can obviously dim the lights up or down. I'm gonna post more of these videos as I'm working on other dumb home automations. I don't know if I can call them smart, but they're definitely entertaining. Now, I'm by no means an iOS developer or an expert of any sort in this domain, so this is all kind of brand new to me. There's definitely a lot of things I could have done better, but I mean, it worked.